When you're planning a conference, you're in charge of creating an entire schedule for hundreds, if not thousands of people over several days. If this seems daunting to you, don't worry, we've got you covered. Hey, I'm Katie with Endless Events, and we've put together all of our conference planning guides in one spot so you can plan the best event and stress less. We've covered everything from the best locations for hosting your event to how to find the perfect venue. We've got creative staging ideas, and we'll also help you to understand and get amazing sponsors and engaging conference speakers. Fun and exciting breakout sessions can really create a memorable experience, so we've got ideas with tips and tools on how to boost engagement. And every big event these days can really benefit from an app, so we've got a guide to show you the best way to create your event app. If you want to learn more about this, you can click the link and head to our website to access all of this information in one place. This is going to help you plan a memorable experience that's less stressful for you as a planner. Let us know in the comments below which topic you're more excited to learn more about, and don't forget before you leave to give this video a like and to subscribe for more useful tips, and I'll see you next time.